Hey, welcome back to our channel, everyone. If you're new here, we're thrilled to have you join us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into something truly special, layered haircuts. Whether you're looking to switch up your style, add some flair, or simply find the perfect cut that complements your natural beauty, you've come to the right place. Layered haircuts have stood the test of time, and they're more popular than ever this season. We're going to explore some of the trendiest layered hairstyles that are not just in vogue but also incredibly versatile. These cuts can enhance your natural features, add volume, and bring a fresh, youthful energy to your look. Let's get started. Layered haircuts are a classic in the world of beauty and fashion, and for good reason. They offer a unique blend of style and practicality, making them an excellent choice for just about anyone. What's fantastic about layered haircuts is their adaptability. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, there's a layered style that can bring out the best in your natural texture. But what exactly makes layered cuts so special? It all comes down to the technique. By cutting hair at different lengths, stylists can create a sense of movement and dimension that flatters almost every face shape and hair type. The right layered cut can transform your look, giving your hair more volume, a playful bounce, and a polished finish. Today, we're going to focus on 4 specific layered hairstyles that are making waves this season. These cuts are not only trendy but also designed to remain stylish for a long time. So, if you're considering a new look or just curious about what's hot right now, stay tuned. Let's kick things off with the layered bob. This haircut is the epitome of timeless elegance combined with modern flair. The layered bob is a versatile style that has been embraced by fashion-forward individuals all over the world. What makes this cut so appealing is its ability to adapt to various hair textures, making it a go-to option for many. The beauty of the layered bob lies in its simplicity and sophistication. It's a low-maintenance style that doesn't require a lot of fuss but still delivers a chic and polished look. The layers in this cut work wonders in adding volume and texture, especially for those with fine or thin hair. By lifting the hair at different points, the layered bob creates a sense of fullness and body that can transform limp locks into a vibrant, voluminous mane. This style is particularly flattering for those looking to achieve a youthful appearance, as it subtly enhances facial features and softens the overall look. Whether you prefer a sleek, straight finish or a more tousled, beaky wave, the layered bob offers endless styling possibilities. Next up, we have the bixie cut, a fascinating hybrid of the elongated pixie and the classic bob. This cut is all about breaking the mold and offering something fresh and exciting. The bixie is an excellent choice for those who want to experiment with their look without going too extreme. It's a style that combines the best of both worlds, the edginess of a pixie and the sophistication of a bob. One of the standout features of the bixie cut is its ability to add volume and movement to the hair. The layers in this cut are strategically placed to create lift at the crown, giving the hair a fuller, more dynamic appearance. This makes it an ideal option for those with thinner hair who want to achieve a thicker, more voluminous look. But it's not just about volume. The bixie cut also has a unique way of framing the face, accentuating the cheekbones and jawline for a more defined, sculpted appearance. The bixie cut is also incredibly versatile in terms of styling. Whether you have straight hair that you want to add some texture to, or wavy or curly hair that you want to enhance, the bixie cut can be adapted to suit your needs. It's a style that exudes confidence and individuality, making it perfect for those who want to make a bold statement with their hair. Now, let's talk about the Cascade haircut. This is a truly iconic style that has been a favorite for decades, and it's easy to see why. The cascade, or cascading layers, is a style that involves layering the hair in a way that creates a waterfall-like effect, with longer layers at the bottom and shorter layers at the top. This technique not only adds movement and dimension to the hair but also helps to create a more balanced and harmonious look. The Cascade haircut is particularly well suited to those with long hair who want to add some shape and structure without sacrificing length. It's a style that works beautifully with natural waves and curls, as the layers help to define and enhance the hair's natural texture. But even if you have straight hair, the Cascade cut can give your locks a sense of fluidity and motion that's simply stunning. One of the key benefits of the Cascade haircut is its versatility. It's a style that can be worn in a variety of ways, from loose and flowing to pulled back and sleek. And because the layers are cut to complement the natural shape of your hair, the Cascade cut requires minimal styling to look its best. It's a low-maintenance option that still delivers maximum impact, making it a perfect choice for busy individuals who want a stylish yet practical haircut. Another layered style worth mentioning is the shag haircut. The shag is a style that's all about layers and texture, with a slightly undone, rock and roll vibe that's perfect for those who want a more casual, laid-back look. The shag haircut is characterized by choppy layers that are cut at various lengths, creating a tousled, textured appearance that's both edgy and effortlessly cool. This style is particularly popular among those with medium to long hair, as the layers add movement and dimension, giving the hair a more dynamic, lived-in look. One of the great things about the shag haircut is its adaptability. It can be tailored to suit a variety of face shapes and hair textures, making it a versatile option for many. Whether you have thick, curly hair that you want to tame, or fine, straight hair that you want to add some volume to, the shag haircut can be customized to meet your needs. The shag is also a fantastic option for those who want to embrace their natural texture, as the layers help to enhance curls and waves, giving them more definition and bounce. It's a style that exudes confidence and personality, making it a perfect choice for those who want to stand out from the crowd. Another great layered style is the long layered cut. This style is perfect for those who want to keep their length but still add some movement and texture to their hair. The long layered cut is all about adding layers at different lengths throughout the hair, creating a soft, flowing look that's both feminine and elegant. This style is particularly well suited to those with thick hair, as the layers help to reduce bulk and create a more balanced, proportionate appearance. But even if you have finer hair, the long layered cut can add some much needed volume and body, giving your hair a fuller, more luscious look. One of the key benefits of the long layered cut is its versatility. It can be styled in a variety of ways, from loose and wavy to sleek and straight, making it a great option for those who like to switch up their look. And because the layers are cut to blend seamlessly with the rest of the hair, this style requires minimal maintenance to keep it looking its best. It's a low-maintenance option that still delivers maximum impact, making it a perfect choice for those who want a stylish yet practical haircut. Layered haircuts truly are the best of both worlds. They offer the flexibility to suit any hair type, whether thick or thin, straight or curly, and can be tailored to enhance your natural beauty in so many ways. From the classic layered bob to the edgy bixie cut, the timeless cascade, the cool shag, and the elegant long layers, there's a layered style out there for everyone. These cuts are not just about looking good, they're about feeling good, too. The right haircut can boost your confidence, make you feel more put together, and give you a fresh perspective on your personal style. So, if you're thinking about trying something new this season, why not consider a layered cut? It's a versatile, stylish, and practical option that's sure to keep you looking and feeling your best. We hope you found this deep dive into layered haircuts helpful and inspiring. There's so much you can do with your hair, and we're here to help you navigate all the possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion tips, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave us a comment below sharing your favorite layered hairstyle or any tips you have for maintaining your cut. We love hearing from you and can't wait to see what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.